Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So on the Ethereum chart, we continue to follow a bullish pathway. We're approaching now the, you could say, signal line here. Call it a breakout line if you wish to, here at around $2,900. As I said in previous updates, that's the next milestone target for the bulls to take the price above this level. Yeah. The overall support area, again, remains relevant because we haven't really left the range to the upside yet. But it looks like we might see a proper breakout to the upside, given that Bitcoin also seems to be on its way to $130,000. So from that point of view, there is no change about the Ethereum daily chart. We are still bullish overall, especially as long as we're holding above the $1,616 level. That is the 78.6 retracement of our support area. The support area was already tested. As many of you will know, once these support levels are tested, the price can turn around directly. And yeah, we'll see now if the price indeed is on its way to around about $5,000 plus. In the short term, we have some other targets, like, for example, the next objective for the bulls will be a break above $2,900. At this point, as long as there is no decisive break above that level, the risk remains that we might form a wider B wave. But I would say it has reduced in likelihood with Bitcoin's direct breakout higher. Let us take a look at the Ethereum chart on the shorter time frame. So here you can see, hold on, I just want to move that to the right a little bit. Here you can see that the price is, reacted here to our support area. We saw 5 waves to the upside. We saw 3 waves down. It was more like a sideways consolidation here, circle wave 2 in yellow. And the price is still following the micro pattern that I shared with you yesterday. I think yesterday we added even a little bit more detail to this micro pattern. So it seems also like we are maybe in a third wave like Bitcoin. Obviously, we always need to keep in mind that it could just be some kind of a corrective wave. I've labeled that WXY here, or it would be a B wave maybe now. Doesn't matter so much. What really matters is, can we hold now above micro support? And the only thing we really need to do now, as we are probably in a third wave, we need to adjust micro support. And I have done that. I have adjusted micro support. It's now located at around $2,650. That's the 50% Fibonacci retracement. And that's an important level because as long as we're holding $2,650, we can keep up the idea of an upside impulse, yeah? So as long as we are moving up in an impulsive way, the overall focus can remain on higher prices in our yellow scenario, which means what can happen at any point now, and that was possible already yesterday, was here an internal fourth wave pullback. Hasn't started yet, but as long as we're holding 2,650, the trend is up. Next resistance, as I said, is around the $2,900 level. And I believe there isn't really much more to know because any wave 4 now, yeah, should hold above 2,650. If we break below it, that is our first signal that in the white scenario, we have it probably like a local top in place, maybe just in the corrective rally, and we are coming down to test the lower support area, or at least I would say then there's a good chance to at least test here the previous swing low from the 1st of July. But first of all, we need to recognize upside momentum is high and it does start to look really impulsive, which is kind of in line with the yellow scenario here. But it looks more like an impulse and not so much a diagonal. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.